Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IFX broker to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MT5 application on your phone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you just have to go to Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you can easily get the MT5 application. So when you launch the app, you are going to see this type of interface in front of you. So here tap on the option of add trading account. Now in the search bar, you need to simply search for IFX broker. You are able to find the IFX brokers holdings Pty limited. So you need to tap on this server. Now it will give you three different options over here. First is of opening a demo account. Then the second one is of opening a real account and login into your existing account. So you can only connect your IFX broker account if you have an account with them. So first of all, you need to log in into your IFX broker account. From there, you need to get your MT5 login credentials. Most probably you will find them either on the home page or in the settings. So from there, you need to copy the login ID. Once you are able to find it, simply paste it over here. After that, copy the password from there as well. And then you need to paste it over here. Now remember, if you are logging here with your demo account, you can select the demo account here. If you are logging in with the help of your real account credentials, you can also provide that. Now tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect your IFX broker account to MT5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.